Now, here's meteorologist TJ Del Santo with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Tracking a batch of very heavy rain working its way along the south coasts of Rhode Island and Massachusetts, and we've received quite a bit of rain already. You can see that area of yellow working its way across the East Bay of Rhode Island all the way down into Westport, Massachusetts, and Dartmouth on over into New Bedford and Fairhaven. Even some more pockets of heavy rain around the Fall River area. You can see the rain extends all the way back into Connecticut and Massachusetts. It's going to be raining for quite a while longer throughout the night. Rain and windstorm tonight is what I'm tracking. Looking at a very cold start to the new year, and actually that cold air begins to ooze in tomorrow. And then we're watching for the potential for a late week snowstorm. Talk about that more in just a little bit. Wind advisory in effect for Cape Cod and the islands and Block Island. There could be some wind gusts from the southeast up to 50 miles an hour. I just checked. The highest wind gust I saw was about 30 miles an hour along the south coast of Rhode Island. Take a look at South Bay Retirement Living in South Kingstown. They just had that batch of very heavy rain work its way overhead. It's just to the south of the University of Rhode Island, to give it reference. 45 degrees at the moment. They've picked up 1.13 inches of rain, and most areas only about 4/10 to a half an inch of rain. So the south coast of Rhode Island's gotten the most so far, at least in the ocean state. Peak wind gust there up to 21 miles an hour. Temperatures very mild everywhere. Low to mid 40s, 45 westerly. Look at Block Island, 50 degrees right now. The satellite radar picture is showing the extent of all this rain. A lot of warm air working its way into southern New England out ahead of this storm system. Take note of the back edge of the rain working its way across Long Island right now. Center of low pressure is just to the south of New York City, and it's going to be working its way right between Martha's Vineyard and Nantucket over the next 6 hours or so. And the rain will likely shut off by around 10, 11 o'clock at night. Our skies will partially clear late in the night tonight. Tomorrow, a sharp cold front comes on through, bringing with it a whole bunch of Arctic air that's just going to sit here really throughout much of the upcoming week. Wait till you see some of the low temperatures. Let's take a look at our Futurecast. We're looking at the rain ending probably by around 10 o'clock this evening, and then skies partially clearing out, taking you into the daytime tomorrow. We're still looking at quiet weather, maybe a few patches of clouds from time to time, but temperatures in the afternoon will actually be falling due to some gusty west-northwesterly winds. So staying gusty throughout the evening hours. And the rain, again, mostly done by around midnight. Clearing skies for your morning commute. Temperatures will be in the 30s. Now in the afternoon, 35 degrees on the east side of Providence, but by evening probably down around 30 degrees as the winds from the west-northwest at 10 to 20 miles an hour will be bringing in the colder air. So these will probably be the warmest temperatures that we find throughout the work week. 36 in Wickford, 36 degrees in Charlestown early afternoon. Looking at a blend of sunshine and clouds with dropping temperatures in northern Rhode Island and Burrillville, Situate, Woonsocket about 34 degrees around noontime. Over into southeastern Mass, we're looking at that blend of sunshine and clouds. Temperatures will also be dropping eventually over here. 36 Fall River around noontime, and probably down to about 30, 31 come dark. 7-day Futurecast. We're looking at a cold start to the new year. Here we are on New Year's Eve. We're expecting temperatures at midnight to be right around 20 degrees. Where are you? It's not there, but you can see even on New Year's Day looking at cold temperatures. There's that potential snowstorm for Thursday and Friday. Potentially a high impact storm with significant snow and strong winds. It's very track dependent. It gets a little bit closer. We could actually be seeing a little bit more in the way of snow. Now it looks like Thursday and Friday. Look at that low temperature on Saturday morning. Fresh snowpack and clear skies, and the frigid air already in place, and we're looking at very cold temperatures. And that's in Providence. Could be even colder than that to the north and west, and a little bit of a temperature moderation as we head into Sunday, maybe up to 33 degrees. But you get the picture. There's a lot going on this week. Rain and wind tonight, and then cold and maybe a lot of snow. We'll see.
Yeah, and I also saw a 3 for the low.
That's in Providence. Below 0, probably north of Providence.
Yikes. All right, TJ, thanks so much. Coming up in sports on Eyewitness News at 6:30.